Hey people, Kiara here from MyDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're going to start with just one account, guys. We're just showing one account of these. You can get multiple accounts. Most people actually have multiple accounts in My Lead Gen Secret when they promote, but we're just using one. I'm going to show you the results of this just one account, alright guys? So anyway guys, if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business. It's because of its 80% recurring income affiliate program. That means you get paid every single month once you get somebody in the system. And you can really build up an income and really kind of live off of it, you know what I mean? And we're doing like the simplest way to make money online, period, guys. Alright guys, so let's get to it here. Alright, so first we're going to refresh the page, see if we got a sale here. Alright, it looks like we did get a sale. I don't know if we got a sale or a rebuild, guys. I think that's a rebuild. I'm not sure for sure. You guys will know by the thumbnail. Thumbnail tells you if I got a sale or not. Anyway, I ain't gonna check that for you guys. I ain't gonna check it, but I think it's a rebuild. Alright. So anyway, guys, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do here. So first thing first, you want to get your affiliate links. These right here. Alright, so the first thing you need to do when you come to my video here, when you're on my video, you're watching it now, so to speak, you click on here, you go down to the description, you click on show more. It's going to show you step 1 and step 2. You're going to click on step 1 right here. Click on step 1, take it to this page here explaining the $25 business and how much money you can make in general, you know what I mean? And once you do that, you click on yes, I want in. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page here where you can pay for everything. All right guys, you can pay for you can put in all your information to pay for it. I recommend clicking on this as well to get this as well for 14 days for free. Now, it's $125 a month, but it's 14 days free. I say keep it, and the main reason why you want to keep it, it's traffic. It teaches you how to do traffic, how to set up ads, some stuff like that. But the main reason why you want to click on this in particular is because it's affiliate system. It's how the affiliate system works is what I mean. You have to own the product to get commissions off the product. All right guys, so for example, if you were to come through here and not have this product here, get the $25 business, and then say you get somebody in the system, right, and they decide they want this, you will get $20 off the $25 here, but you will not get $100 off of the $125 here. So you have to own the product to get commissions from it. So I recommend clicking on it to really kind of elevate your money, to start taking it to the next level, you know what I mean? Start making a lot of money. All right, and once you get like one sale, you already almost broke even. So get 2 sales and you're good. So anything over that is pure profit, you know what I mean? So anyway guys, once you do that guys, you take it over here, you're gonna get to a page that looks something like this. HBA premium, HBA and all this. Mainly you just focus on this right here, the main menu here. You want to click on the affiliate zone. Once you click on the affiliate zone, it's going to take you to this page here. By the way, it's videos explaining all of this. I'm just speed running through it. Anyway, you want to click on sign up for the affiliate program here. It's going to take you to this page here, and as you see, it's very basic information you have to put in there. Very basic information. And once you do that, you can log into the SAM cart. Log into the SAM cart, that's going to take you to this page here guys, where all of your links will be. All right, now this is the link that I use, the all-in-one $25 business. This is the one that I use guys. So anyway, once you do that, you want to come down here and you want to go to step 2 is join My Lead Gen Secrets. Once you click on this right here, it's going to take you to this page here, and this page here is My Lead Gen Secrets. It's a guy telling you about My Lead Gen Secrets, but TLDR, you get 100 leads every single day that you can email once per day. All right, you understand? So basically what I'm saying is you get 100 leads. If you sign in today, tomorrow you'll have 200 leads you can mail, because you'll get another 100 leads, but you only email once a day, so you email 200 leads, and so on and so forth like that. You understand what I'm saying? But anyway man, just log in, make your account. Very simple way. It's a very simple website. You made an account before, you know how to make an account here. All right guys, so you log in, make your account, all that good stuff. Once you get in, you just go over to mailing system here. You can get email swipes if you want to, but I'm gonna show you my email swipes. for you know, signing in under me. I'll show you my email swipes. I can try to help you as much as I can. So anyway, we're gonna just click on one of my emails here. What's the last one I sent? Second week, maybe. Let's go with this one. About that one in. All right, just pause the video if you want to copy the email, guys. Very simple. I just show the whole email real quick. All right, that's the whole email, guys. Now you want to put your link right here, guys. You put your link right there. Make sure you hit perfect timing. Make sure you preview and make sure your link works. You gotta make sure your link works. As long as your link works, mine does work. Takes me right to the page. Make sure it works, because sometimes people don't check if their link work because they didn't put it in correctly, and you won't get sales if your link doesn't work. All right, so anyway, you just send an email, you're done. That's it. So neat though. Start making money, guys. A very simple way, very quick way, very easy way, the easiest I have ever found on the planet, guys. Hop on this. Very easy to do, and you really can make your money skyrocket with this. All right, guys, or just some extra income at least. I make about, last month was a slow month. I still made about $500-600. So just do this over and over, and understand I'm just doing this to promote this product. That's all I'm doing. I'm doing my lead gen secrets. That's about it. You guys can start doing Facebook and all this and that. This is a project for me. I'm just trying this out to see how it works out over the course of a year. But anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. 20% of you guys are subscribed. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.